Hey guys! See if you can see me waving in the lens there. Hi! This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, coming at you again today with a new set of custom-built headlights, this time for a Mercury Mountaineer. This is for my parents. It's their Christmas present. So, well, by the time you see this video, they've already gotten them. So hopefully at the end of the video, I'll attach some pictures of them installed so that you can see some before and after action shots, both for the aesthetics of them as well as the output shots, so that you can actually see the performance lighting increase that this is doing. The original intention was to do an economy build for them, just to get them some new headlights on their car because they were super junky. But of course, as soon as I started the project, I got a little carried away and I said, well shit man, if I wouldn't do it on my car, why would I give it to my parents? So everything ended up being really nice. Good quality Morimoto equipment. The projector lens assembly itself is a D2S assembly, full-size 3-inch lens with a signature etching on it, so they can think of me when they look at it. I did the orbit shrouds, trimmed to fit, and then of course I painted the entire interior, the OEM body color paint. And this is a Mercury paint, like a Ford. It's a 2-stage, so it's super pretty. It's got this base coat, and then it's got like a pearl coat, top coat that goes on top of it. And then, of course, Clearcoat. And I'm giving some more Morimoto VXF LED bulbs as well for the blinker up there, just for a little snazzy pants. You know, make it cool. So again, you know, this is a performance safety type feature. That's why I'm really doing this for my parents. They need to be able to see at night. I think everybody should. This doesn't have to get glitzy. This can still be an affordable modification for your vehicle. But of course, you know, having a little fun is a lot of fun too. Duh. So there's no halos or RGB demon eyes or any strips in here. This is just a purely performance-oriented product, all Morimoto equipment. I'm going to go over there and get them installed. And like I said, I'll end this video with some pictures of them installed so that you can see what exactly I'm talking about and why this is an amazing present. So get at me if you want some custom headlights. I love this stuff. It's a lot of fun. You know, I'm on Facebook and Instagram and all that other crap. I hate the internet, but I do love customers and building things. So, that's all for now. Have yourself a wonderful evening. Happy holidays. See ya.